Google just added Gemini in Google Trends. So Google Trends is somewhere that marketer or business owner used to go to for finding trending topic. And this is the typical search where you could find localized query, what's trending, and here, what's new is this suggest search terms. So let's say we are a home renovation company today and want to make more video for our content. So we find search terms, just type in your niche, and it will start running and finding you what's trending today. So it show up with like 8 different things when I put down home renovation. We see deck, contractor, landscaping, home improvement, bathroom, kitchen, basement. So you can obviously see those are the trending topic within home renovation. And it also has like suggestion. You could see like, oh, DIY versus contractor, 2026 home renovation trends. And then let's go up, scroll down, you could see the keywords and how they are trending comparing to other keywords. And when it comes to here, it also have company search queries. So if we want to look at kitchen, then we could see the exact wording that could be like uptrending. So we can see kitchen renovation surface up like 350. And for us creating video and content, it's very important that you turn on this filter and go on YouTube search because it will give you completely different result. Like if we go back to like bathroom, and we could see like bathroom renovation ideas and DIY. Those are the keywords that you want to put in into your videos. Let's see like popular renovation project. Is that trending terms that we could? Okay. Suddenly like window replacement come up and flooring also installing also came up. We could see the trend landscaping been dropping last year, and I feel like this is spring, so it's gonna go up again. And flooring also do. And you can see that like that construction is constantly getting zero here. So probably like no one want to like make a video about that and don't waste time on it topic. So use this for your own business. I'm just using renovation as a niche, but if no matter you're a consultant, real estate agent, other home service, auto service, or even influence, like use this and find out what's trending. You could always turn on this location filter and find your location. Like if you're in Europe, it has completely different result. And also, if you want to be more time sensitive, like recent news, you could always put down this filter. Hopefully, like you guys could enjoy this tool and help make more trending and popular content.